Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video today we are going to look at the definition of a set. What is a set? Have a look at the below pictures. Here we have given a pictures of persons belonging to film industry. Can you group the above pictures in a specific category? Yes, we can group the above pictures under a category playback singers. Thus, these set of pictures have been collected as a single group under the category playback singers. Here the specific category playback singers is called well-defined condition and the whole collection is called a set. Hence, a set is collection of well-defined objects. A set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. So this is the mathematical definition of a set. By a well-defined collection of objects, we mean that there is a rule by means of which it is possible to say without ambiguity whether a particular object belongs to the collection or not. The object in a set are distinct means we don't repeat an object over and over again in a set. Each object belonging to a set is called an element or member of the set. Sets are usually denoted by capital alphabets, say A, B, N, Q, R, S, and etc. And the elements are denoted by the lowercase letters small a, small b, small c, small x, etc. The symbol E is used to indicate belongs to or is an element of. Thus, X belongs to A, we mean that X is an element of the set A. The symbol strike out E is used to indicate does not belongs to or is not an element of. Thus, X does not belongs to A, we mean that X is not an element of the set A. Description of a set. Now we are going to look at how do you describe a set. Method of describing a set. There are two methods of describing a set. One is called roster method. Another one is called property method. In roster method, a set is described by listing all its elements, separating them by commas and enclosing them within curly brackets. And in property method, listing the element of a set is sometimes difficult and sometimes impossible. We cannot express in roster form the set Q of all rational number or the set R of all real number. In this situation, we go for set builder method. In set builder method, a set is described by means of some property which is shared by all the elements of the set. Have a look at this example. For example, if A is the set of all odd natural numbers less than 10, then in roster form, we can describe the set A as A is equal to within curly braces. We can put 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In property method, the same set can be expressed in set builder form or property method in the following way as A is equal to within curly brackets the set of all x such that x is an odd integer and 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. If B is the set of letters of the word follow, then in roster form we can describe B as B is equal to within curly braces F, O, L, W. How do you describe this set with the help of property method. The above same set can be expressed in set builder form or property method in the following way. That is, B is equal to within curly braces set of all A such that A is the set of all alphabets in the word follow. When a set is described in roster form, the order of its elements is immaterial. That is, the elements may be written down in any order. Thus, B is equal to within curly braces we can put F, O, L, W, or within curly braces we can put F, L, W, O, and something like that. Now let's take a look at an example for property method. For example, if A is the set of all natural numbers between 10 and 100, then A can be expressed as A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n and 10 less than x less than 100. Here note that it is difficult task to define the above set with the help of roster method, because we find it is very difficult to list all the elements in the above set in a listing method. For example, if R is the set of all rational numbers between 10 and 100, then R can be expressed as R is equal to set of all x such that 10 less than x less than 100 and x belongs to Q. Here note that it is a difficult task to define the below set with the help of roster method, and it is impossible to list all the rational numbers between 10 and 100. So that is why here we have described this set with the help of property method. Thank you. If you have any ideas, share your valuable ideas and comments in the YouTube chat box. Thank you.